Are you looking for a home in the Vail School District or maybe a home with an attached guest quarters? Well, stick around with me today. We're going to revisit one of my favorite communities in Tucson's Upper Southeast side that's going to give you access to some of Tucson's main amenities, as well as be part of the Vail School District. And we're going to take you into one of our newest listings that also features an attached guest quarters. So you won't want to miss this. Stick around. Let's get to it. Welcome back, or if you're new to this channel and you want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith, and my husband Dustin and I have helped hundreds of people just like you move to and from Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, we've got you covered. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona. All right, so as I mentioned, we're revisiting one of our favorite subdivisions today in Upper Southeast Tucson. We're gonna be right off of Houghton and Drexel. So a quick 10 to 15 minute drive south down to the Rita Ranch area. That's gonna have a lot of shopping options like Safeway, Fry's, Walmart, some clothing options. There's now a brand new Home Depot in the area as well. There's gonna be some great restaurants and fast food as well. So really, a lot of stuff that you would need down in that Rita Ranch area, but then you're also about 15 minutes north of Houghton. You can get over into the Tucson area, like East Tucson, and within 20 minutes be more like Central Tucson if you need to get, towards like downtown Tucson. Davis-Monthan Air Force Base brings a lot of people into this area. So just a lot of close by amenities, which is what really brings people to this community, in addition to being part of the Vail School District and this community in particular because of these amazing amenities. So there's 3 parks in here right now. This is the hub basically. So you're gonna have a heated pool over there, and it's actually like walk in, there's no steps right there, and it also has like a patio area with barbecues, so if you want to just go there for the day and grill, hang out by the pool if you don't have one at your house, that's great. You have this huge playground area here. There's even a splash pad, there's basketball courts, there's a dog park, there's this like soccer baseball field area over here as well. So just a lot of amenities in this community and close by this community. All right, so another thing that brings people to the area too is the proximity to hiking and biking. So over here within 15 minutes to the east, you're gonna be over in Saguaro National Park East, which is absolutely beautiful. Tons of hiking options through there. If you don't like hiking, you can actually drive through there. There's a loop that goes all through, and it is just a very peaceful, scenic drive. So I definitely recommend doing that. There's some more restaurants over in that area as well that are worth checking out, like Saguaro Corners. But another thing that brings people to this community in particular is the access to Fantasy Island, which is like a dirt mountain bike trail. So there's people there all the time. It can be a pretty challenging course, but if that's what you're into, we see people there all the time. There's even bike rentals out there occasionally. And then right next to that is the Loop, which if you're not familiar with it, is over 130 miles of paved bike trail. So sometimes you'll see people walking or running on it, but mainly cyclists that are on there, and it weaves all through different parts of Tucson and surrounding suburbs. And then in, I believe, November, there's even the Tour de Tucson that brings a ton of cyclists into the area, and they just shut down a lot of the roads and whatnot for just one day. And, they go out there and do this race, and some of them, split it up into smaller portions of the race. Some do much longer, but a lot of options there for things to do in addition to all the amenities this community has to offer. All right, so now that you know a little bit more about the community and where it's located, let's talk about the house before we take you in. So currently it's listed at $627,734. That's gonna give you 2733 square feet. It is a single story, 2-car garage, offering 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, plus a flex space and a den. So definitely a lot of space. This house was built in 2023, mid 2023. So it's basically like new, and you'll see it is meticulous in there, almost like walking into a model home. Not only that, it's situated on a corner lot in the community that, is almost towards the dead end. So there's not a lot of through traffic right here. There's a park right down the street, one of the pocket parks, and then you're still very close to that main hub center that we were talking about as well. You also have Catalina and Rincon Mountain views from here, north-south orientation. So a lot of things to show you inside. Let's head on in. All right, so come on in and notice on your way up this beautiful paver walkway that the owners did add, as well as this gated courtyard. Come on in, and a beautiful seating area so you can sit out here. Actually, at sunset, you'll have some of those west-facing sunset views. You'll notice off to the right as you walk in, this beautiful flex area. Right now they have a piano there, but really the options are endless. You want a studio there or office, a separate seating area. Then you have this beautiful great room here. You have the recessed lighting, the ceiling fan they added, the beautiful ceramic wood plank tile floors. And before I talk about one of my favorite features, this kitchen, there is a large dining area off the kitchen with a sliding glass door that leads outside onto the patio as well. You have a large walk-in pantry here. That's quite amazing, as well as this beautiful gourmet kitchen. One of my favorite parts is this beautiful backsplash that they did. I love it. And then it's got the 42-inch cabinets here with the crown molding. You have your separate cooktop, gas cooktop with the pots and pans drawer. You have upgraded quartz counters, this expansive island. Right now they have 4 large bar stools right here, and it still feels so spacious and comfortable in here. You have the beautiful pendant lighting that they added. You have the built-in oven and microwave as well. And something else that I love that they added over here is this extra beverage area. This was kind of just a dead space before. So they put in this cabinet with the in-cabinet lighting, the beverage fridge. So whether you like your wine or your coffee, it's great for that. Right across from that, you have the den, and they added this beautiful barn door right here. And the powder room, which they also upgraded with, I love this sink. Absolutely stunning. And then the garage is a 2-car garage, but it does have a lot of extra space in there. So if you wanted to add cabinets or needed extra storage, and there's a tankless water heater, which was one of the features they were doing in this community, and not all of them do that. And I think it just really frees up some space, and I prefer those tankless water heaters as well. Now, into the living areas. So this is the primary suite. I love this because you have amazing Catalina mountain views here. And you have this beautiful ensuite with your dual vanity. Again, with those quartz countertops. You have a large walk-in closet, this beautiful custom shower. This shower is huge. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell in the video quite how large this shower is, but it is stunning. And as you come down the hallway, you'll have a bedroom over here. And this laundry room. I love this laundry room. They added the backsplash, the cabinets, the granite countertops, the sink. It's beautiful. You have a guest bathroom over here, again with that dual vanity. And one of the unique features we were talking about is this guest quarter. So as you come in here, I mean, it's very, very large. You have a great sized living room area. They've added this whole section with the cabinets, the granite countertops, the built-in mini fridge, the microwave. And then as you come in, you have this large bedroom, again, walk-in closet, so lots of space and storage and everything that you would need, as well as the ensuite bathroom right here with the shower. Now, I didn't mention it earlier, so I could save it for when we go outside, but look at this beautiful center meet closed sliding glass door. And of course, they have finished off the backyard. They added the gravel. They have this beautiful seating area that they added and a separate gated area with turf. Not only that, but you also have the Rincon mountain views in addition to the Catalina mountain views. And plenty of space if you wanted to add a pool. There's even a gas stub out over here. So if you wanted to add, around this bench seating area, if you wanted to add a gas fire pit or something like that, you absolutely could. So they have done a lot to this house for what you get. And I'm very excited that we got to show you this home today. All right, so thank you for touring this beautiful home in Swirl Trails with me today. If you have any questions about this home in particular or about the community of Swirl Trails, drop them in the comments. We love to hear from you. And if you or anyone you know is thinking about moving to or from Tucson, Arizona, give us a call, shoot us a text or an email. Let us help you make that smooth move. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so we can keep you updated on the current market in Tucson, Arizona. I'll see you on the next video.